y'all, Jaleesa here. Thank you for still rocking with me if you are an OG, okay? A few of y'all had responded to the question that I presented in the YouTube stories, so here I am recording, getting into the habit of recording again. Last year, 2020, was a hard year for a lot of people, but for the Smiths, honestly, I'm super grateful because it was a really great year for us. We'll be talking more about that as the vlogs go on and then throughout this year, but now I get to record more, so that's awesome. And right now, what I'm doing, every morning, I just make sure I have some of this. It's like vitamin C, immunity, and I think it's got zinc and magnesium in it as well. I have like usually a pack. I try to have like a pack a day. Sometimes I don't. I always take my vitamins first thing in the morning before I have any coffee. You see I got my coffee maker and then my Nespresso, my beloved Nespresso right here, but I have no more pods. So that's actually why I'm dressed. I have to go to Target. It was like July. Darren had tested positive for the Rona. So after that we were like, okay, let's get it together. So we've been doing what we can to like stay as healthy as possible. You know what I'm saying? Like, just because, you know, you can't control whatever's going on out there, but at least we can control what's going on out in here and in here, okay? I make sure that Vanna already had her morning juice. So in Savannah's juice, I put like half of this packet, and I get these from Wegmans, and I put in her vitamin D. This is what I get. Everything I get is in my Amazon store. So that, and for me, I have the Ritual vitamins. I've been getting them. These are not on Amazon store. These are on subscription. So I make sure she has that, and then I give her some of the vitamin C. I mix it with like half of one of these or whatever, just because like it's just easier for the taste. Then I also get my probiotics daily, which is great because it keeps everything flowing as it should. And then especially gut health is really important for immune health. So Vanna and I both have our probiotics. Then with food, now by itself, we take zinc. Oh, this is so gross, but like I have not been able to stomach this in a while. Darren usually has that. What else? Oh, I take my vitamin D. I get this vitamin D, and I get it from Amazon, and it's also in my Amazon store, and I really like it because it lasts so long, and the pills are really little, so you don't feel like you're like gagging. Now these horse pills, I got these from Wegmans too, but I'm sure they're online. And that's what I take. So omega-3, probiotic, multivitamin, vitamin D, and the vitamin C from the packet. If you're on the East Coast and you're like in the Northeast, there's not that much sun out anymore. Like the sun isn't out every day. So our moods can be affected, and that's why so many people get seasonal, what is it called? Seasonal affective disorder, something like that. Seasonal depression, we'll call it like that. Seasonal depression, sorry, I don't know what I was talking about. So to help combat that, you can take vitamin D. I just take 2 of these. You can take a higher dose. I mean, it is a lot. Sometimes, like, most of the time, it's just gray outside, y'all. It be so gray. Right now, the sun is out, thank God, but it just be so gray and like dreary, like, ugh. So I'm gonna take that, and then I'm gonna head out to Target to get my Nespresso. So the reason that I like space out when I take my vitamins, when I drink my coffee in the morning or espresso, is because caffeine is and alcohol, whatever, can, of course I don't drink alcohol first thing in the morning, but like, you know, caffeine and alcohol can like inhibit the absorption of certain vitamins. And right now I'm not beat for that, okay? With everything going on, I'm gonna make sure that we are healthy as possible, okay? I have not been to the gym since October, y'all. I probably should give y'all like a body, I don't know. I mean, that's kind of corny, but you know, I've been staying in shape, as you can see, and I have not been to the gym since October. I've been staying in shape here, right at home, just being healthy with, and I work out on Instagram Live with my private Instagram account, my private workout membership, Fun Fine Fit. We work out 3 times a week. We do HIIT, strength, and I'm about to start incorporating dance/twerkouts. Okay, so very excited about that. You can join, hitting the link below. It's only 15 bucks a month. And you wanna see Vanna? Here she is. Pop. Pop. Look how big she's getting, y'all. I don't know if you have, you want a waffle? What do you say? Ken? You so low. Ken? Cookie? No, girl. Cookie waffle. 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 You said waffle, girl. All right, I'm gonna make her a waffle. here we are. I'm gonna try to do just a messy ponytail on this girl's hair because it's the easiest thing that I can do in between putting away the dishes and trying to clean the kitchen and making the bed. I just wanted to get her ready real quick so we can go to Target because yeah, I'm not sure when Darren's gonna be back. And then, I mean, I really want my espresso and I'm getting my lashes done at 1 and it's 11. And I think it's about a half hour away from where I live. So, yep. You know, this is how we bond. We play music, we dance, we laugh, we sing. Tried to film this part so many times, but my toddler won't shut up because she's mad that I won't play the game with her on my iPad and we have to go to Target. But maybe I'll just wait till her dad gets home and you can just sit at home all day. You see why I need my espresso? So glad that her dad comes home. And all I need to do is lay there with my eyes closed. So it'll be nice. One time I fell asleep. I was just trying to go over some business stuff real quick. My husband Darren, he started a new business over 2020. It's pretty much like online education. So he's teaching people how to make money through virtual wholesaling of houses. It's a course, and I've been running his YouTube ads. So every morning I come in here, I check the stats, I check the metrics, and I figure out different ways to optimize it, or I try to like optimize the campaigns and see how they're performing. Now she's got snot in her nose. I love this jacket so much. It's like, I wish I got a small, I got a medium, but I love it so much. And then I got this bag from Target. Show your outfit. This is Vanna's fit. We went to Target. Why are you crying? But yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm not gonna bring y'all because this camera is too big and with the toddler, I ain't really got time. I'm gonna try to run in and run out even though it's a Saturday in Target. So we'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. Say bye. Bye. Vanna just got this toy from Target.
Thank you. You want some?
Yummy. Yummy. And I just made myself some espresso real quick because I have to go, like right now. Like literally right now. Okay, y'all. I am done getting my lashes done. Aren't they so cute? Wait, can you? I'm not even in good lighting right now. Hold on. Let me see if I can turn around to some. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Do you catch the glow? Catch the glow. Wait, this lens makes things look darker, I feel like. But can you see? You see? I feel like I'm back. All right, y'all, I just came from the beauty supply store. I ran in there real quick because I needed to get some new nail glue, which I did find the right nail glue, and then I got needle and thread. I'm not gonna do these to myself. I want my girl to do my hair. I had these gypsy locks before. They were so freaking cute, and I had worn them long and then I cut them like the last week and I wore them short and I love them even more. But I think these ones I'm gonna just probably wear long as I can stand them. I love me some crochet, y'all. I got T330 27. I mean T30 27 and T4 30. Yeah, I got 2 of each pack. There's like a double pack, so I think I can get away with just having 4 packs. And girl, this is crochet in my hair right now. It's really easy to tell, but like I love crochet because I do not like to sit and get my hair done for that long. Like my friend, bless her soul, she just did my hair. She did not before this one. I had individual butterfly locks. Well, they're more like distressed locks, and it took so long. Like it took like 6 hours, but like to me that's so long for me to just sit and get my hair done. I had to leave and go to my house. She came to my house to finish them. Like it's just a lot. So I love me some crochet. Okay, what I think I'm gonna have her do with these is just do the individual around the perimeter and then cornrow the middle, so it'll still look kind of like individual, but it'll take a shorter amount of time. So yeah, so now I'm about to finally head back home. I guarantee you Savannah is asleep because whenever she stays with her daddy, somehow she takes naps. When she's with me on the weekends, they're gonna be taking no damn naps, but when she's with her daddy, she will gladly take a nap. He will just have it so easy. But I really haven't eaten all day also, and he got Mission Barbecue before I left, so I'm excited to hopefully left me some food. I'm pretty sure it left me some food. So, and y'all saw I cleaned the kitchen. So I don't plan on cooking all damn day because I clean the kitchen. I'm just saying, like you gotta cook and clean and cook. It's just, especially the weekends, let's just chill. The thing is that we're trying to do better as far as like our eating, so that's the tricky part because we want to do better. Like we weren't doing terrible, but you know in the holiday season you kind of start to fall off and you eat all the holiday treats and all kind of stuff. So that's the thing. We were doing that, and you know our bodies are paying the price in this season. Stay as healthy as possible. So even if we do go out to eat or get some takeout for dinner, it's got to be something, you know, healthy. So yeah, let's see. Let's just see. Hey y'all, so there is some food left for me. We got some cornbread right here. Yes, I know you want more salmon. Cornbread, green beans, and some salmon. And they give you like sauces and stuff. Bless you, baby. Look at her. Look at her shirt. Mommy made that. Right? Mommy made your shirt? What you want, Vanna? We're eating mezza for dinner. I always get shredded lamb, half chicken kebab, 3 scoops of the cilantro hummus, pickled beets, pickled onions. I don't know if you guys can see this. Hold on. It's pickled beets, pickled onions, crunchy chickpeas, Turkish salad. What else? Eggplant, corn, pretty much almost everything on the menu. So good. Okay y'all, so this is my setup to practice some workouts, dance workouts for my Fun Fit Fam with the membership, because I'm incorporating twerk workouts within the next 2 weeks. So I need to like figure out how I'm gonna do this and not make it too crazy, but make it like fun, but also like easy enough for people to do. And I'm already tired. Like I barely did anything, I'm already tired. So I'm like, I got my whole playlist here. Oh, your girl is not in her 20s anymore, okay? So, as you can see, this is not working out too well. My 3-year-old just came and set up shop in the area that I'm supposed to be trying to do this workout in. I could go out there and do it where I usually dance, but I just wanted to have a little bit of privacy because Darren's out there watching football and it's just not the vibe. It just isn't the vibe, okay? So I need these creative juices to get flowing because they're not right now, but I don't know if it's gonna happen tonight. This is not helping. I don't know, maybe I just need to turn on some Latin music so I can salsa, because that usually gets me like excited and stuff like that. She's made a tea party right up in the mirror, so.
Back on deck on my fly shit, really on my shit, pay some respect to my mindset, head blowing smoke, catch a contact, niggas really mad they can't stop us, back on the scene, young conscious.
Okay y'all, so as you can see the workout's not working very well because I don't want to twerk in front of my baby. So I'm gonna put on these nails. So I actually ordered these from the Nailist. I ordered short set because I've been getting long and they're just so annoying. They get in my way, I type too much, I do too much on the computer to be wearing long nails. So they give you a whole bunch, which are like under here is the rest of them, you can kind of see, but I picked these out last night so I already know. My nails are prepped. I buffed them. I always put a clear coat on my nails. As you can see, I've been wearing press-ons for the longest time and my nails are still looking decent. I usually file them down, but tonight I'm not gonna do all that. They look pretty good. They're still pretty healthy. They're very like strong, which is what I like. I don't like going to the nail shop, and then I don't even like going to the nail shop. First of all, I've been disappointed so many times, and I really don't want another thing to keep up with without, you know, that I can't do it myself. As I'm talking about with like my lashes and like my hair. So I simplified my life. I just ordered a bunch of press-ons. So I got me some glue. This is the first time using this particular glue today. I hope this isn't the brush-on one because I actually didn't want that one. I wanted the drip one. So yeah, that one. And I also have a couple more tools. I have some long sets that I have to use, but I'm gonna order a nail cutter from Amazon because I couldn't find it in the beauty supply store today. I got this to kind of like push my cuticles back and, you know, but I probably won't need that today. And yeah, so usually when you get a press-on kit, they'll come with like a buffer, especially the store-bought ones. They'll come with a buffer, they'll come with the little push back thingy, the thing that you push your cuticles back with, and they'll come with the glue, but the Nailist doesn't do all that, even though they charge you more money. No shade to them, I still like them. Obviously I ordered from them, but yeah, I have a few really good brands that I order from. Honestly, I feel like the beauty supply store be having the best press-ons. They have so many varieties of press-ons. They always have the Kiss Goldfinger. To me, Kiss Goldfinger brand is like the best that I've used that are like store-bought. I also love this company called Marmalade Nails. I do like the Nailist. The Nailist was really cool about them is that they also do custom nails and you can just customize it to your nail bed. I haven't done that yet, but you can do that too. It's an option. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on. That's just how I want to just describe how I do them because I always get questions on my Instagram. So that's how I do them first. Buff them, put this on. If you have to file them and shape them and all that, do that. And then just pop the nails on and hold them on for like 5 seconds each, and they're good to go for a good like week or two, depending on how rough you are. These short nails should last me at least 2 weeks if I don't, or somebody else doesn't mess them up before then. Okay.
They ain't gotta like it, they just gotta live with it. Got my money working, you know what I did with it. Take it to the field, treat it like a coin toss. Girl, I got it covered, I'm a Louis loincloth. But he ain't really with it.
So as you can see, nails are done, looking cute. Got a little scratch on my hand, but it is what it is. Took about 10 minutes and I'm done. Can you see? Mama, are you going pee-pee in my shot? Yes, she is. So there's that. Twist! Twist! Is that your twist? Is that your twist? So funny. Okay. We're gonna end the vlog here, y'all. Thank you for joining us on our first vlog of 2021. Happy 2021. Thank y'all for still being here. Stay tuned for more content. I'm gonna be bringing y'all some HIIT workouts, no equipment workouts, light equipment workouts, resistance bands, light dumbbell workouts. I specialize in all those kind of things. Plus dance workouts, because you already know your girl specializes in that as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.